As long as your theme provides one or more menu locations, it's super easy to create custom menus and place them on your WordPress site. From the dashboard, click through to the Appearance Menus screen. The basic concept to understand here is that there are two steps involved in this order. Number 1, creating a menu. Number 2, assigning the menu to a location. Step 1, creating a menu. If no menus have been set up yet, WordPress offers you a starting point with a suggested menu titled Menu 1, using whatever pages you have. For now, just ignore it and click on the text link, Create a New Menu. In the menu name box, type a name for your menu. To avoid confusion, don't name it after the location you plan to put it, like Top Menu or Left Menu. Instead, name it something that identifies it in some other way, such as Main Menu, Secondary Menu, or Products Menu. Click Create Menu. Now, add some menu items to your menu. On the left, you'll see a stack of panels. Each of these panels represents a type of menu item, such as pages and posts. Visit Screen Options to determine which types of menu items appear here. Click the little arrows to open or close these menu item panels. Inside, you'll see the actual items you can add to your menu. Select the checkboxes for as many items as you want to add and click Add to Menu. Add as many items of as many different types as you like. Don't worry about the order they appear. We'll get to that in just a minute. The panel named Links allows you to create a menu item with any URL and any label you like. You may want to use this to create a link to your website's home page, for example, or to a page on some other website. Selecting a category or a tag produces a link which takes the person clicking it to an archive page of posts which have that category or tag assigned. Now look at the right side of the screen, where the menu items you've chosen are shown as a vertical list. The items can be dragged and dropped into whatever order you like. Just click, hold, drag, and release. To create submenu items that appear as drop-downs or flyouts, just drag an item slightly to the right. You can create several levels of menu items in this way, as long as your theme supports it. Be sure to click the Save Menu button. Each menu item can be opened or closed with the little arrow at its top right. Inside, depending upon what is enabled in Screen Options, there are some settings. The Navigation Label setting is especially useful. It allows you to determine what text will display for this item in the menu on the website, the item's label. This can be quite handy, especially if an item would otherwise have a much too long label. At the bottom is a link with the text Remove. Clicking this is the way to delete a menu item from a menu. When you've got your menu set up just the way you want, click Save Menu and then click the Manage Locations tab at the top of the screen. This opens a new panel. Step 2. Assigning the menu to a location. On the Manage Locations tab, you'll see the names of the menu locations your theme supports. For example, the 2013 theme has only one menu location, named Navigation Menu. Next to each menu location, a drop-down list allows you to choose one of the menus you've created and assign it to that location. If your theme supports several menu locations, you can assign a different menu to each one. Also, the same menu can be assigned to more than one location. Be sure to click Save Changes when you're done here. To delete a menu, select the Edit Menus tab, open the menu you want to delete, scroll to the bottom, and click Delete Menu. There's one more way a custom menu can be placed on your website. WordPress has a custom menu widget. Just place the widget in a widget-ready location provided by your theme, select the custom menu you want, and save. In the future, when you need to make changes, menus and the locations to which they're assigned can always be edited and resaved. So that's our video lesson on working with custom menus. Stay tuned to weteachwp.com for more high-quality WordPress learning materials.